Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Learner AK. Friends, today we discuss about thermocouple thermometer. Friend, if you are new in my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel and please support me. Let's start now. Thermocouple thermometer. A thermocouple thermometer is a temperature measuring device that works based on the thermoelectric effect. It uses a thermocouple sensor which is made of two dissimilar metals joined together at one end. When this junction experiences a change in temperature, it generates a small voltage called thermoelectric voltage that can be measured and interpreted as temperature. Now we see friends principle. Thermocouples are based on the principle that when two dissimilar metals are joined, a predictable voltage will be generated that relates to the difference in temperature between the measuring junction and reference junction. Now we can see construction of thermocouple. The construction of the device is shown below. It comprises two different metal wires and that are connected together at the junction, and the junction thinks as the measuring end. The end of the junction is classified into three types, namely ungrounded, grounded, and exposed junction. You can see figure friends, this is important. You can see figure Bailey Controls Company in coil sheath thermocouple wires magnesium oxides. Thermocouple construction. This is construction figure friends. This is very important. So let's know next. In this type of junctions, the conductors are totally separated from the protecting cover. The applications of these junctions mainly include high pressure application works. The main benefit of using this junction is to decrease the stray magnetic field effect. Now friends, we know main parts. First, thermocouple sensor, two metal wires joined at one end. Second, voltmeter or electronic circuit. And third, display unit, digital or analog. Now we know friends working. When two dissimilar metals such as iron and copper are gained to form a closed circuit, current flow when one junction is at higher temperature and the other one is at lower temperature as shown in figure. You can see working figures friends. This is voltmeter, measuring junction, hot, reference junction called heat source. This is the heat source friends. Dissimilar metal wires. Figure principle of measurement of temperature by a thermocouple. The EMF driving the current is called a thermocouple EMF, and the phenomenon is known as thermoelectric effect or Seebeck effect. A pair of dissimilar metals welded together at their junction forms what is called a thermocouple. When several thermocouples are arranged in series, the EMF is added together to give an appreciable output. This arrangement is called thermopile as shown in figure. You can see figure friends. This is cold junction, this is the hot junction, iron constant. This results in displacement of charges making one metal positive and other negative. Materials of thermocouple. You can see friends, materials of thermocouple. First, melting point of thermocouple materials must be higher than the measuring temperature. And then friends, second is Thermocouple material should be resistant to atmosphere in furnaces. Now we know, friends, applications. Thermocouple is used to measure a variety of temperature objects, measuring a great range for far greater than alcohol mercury thermometer. Now we see, friends, advantage: wide temperature range, fast response time, durable and inexpensive. Disadvantage, friends, now non-linear output, less accurate than RTDS or thermistors, cold junctions, compensation required. Thank you, friends. We meet in next video. Please support me and please subscribe my YouTube channel and share to your friends.